With the family expense record sheets in Excel, you can record all your daily movements from incomes to expenses, and then you can send to a database input that can record almost 1,000,000 of your daily movements. And it's so easy, only you need to put the date, the detail, the category, and the amount. As you can see, you have a DB input sheet that now is empty. Now I put the send to data database button, and all the records are in the DB input sheet. So you can repeat this process anytime, and all your records are going to be in the DB inputs as many times as you need for more than 1,000,000 records. And after that, you only need to put record in your Excel. Remember that your Excel needs to run macros.